It seems like Maxis is now offering free unlimited 4G Wi-Fi until fibre broadband is installed. In other news, ViewQuest is now offering free speed boost for its customers for a limited time only. All of this and more on today's episode ICYMI, so stay tuned. During this movement control order, mobile operators are giving free data daily. But there isn't much initiative for existing fibre broadband customers. Since providers can't give more data to unlimited broadband users, ViewQuest is offering a free speed boost to its customers for a limited time. From the 6th of April until the 8th of May, ViewQuest is offering a speed boost to its 100 megabits per second and 500 megabits per second fibre broadband customers. If you are on 100 megabits per second, you will get 500 megabits per second, while 500 megabits per second customers will be bumped up to 1 gigabits per second. However, this is only applicable at 6 locations in the central region and 5 areas in the southern region. Telekom Malaysia has deployed 2 5G base stations to provide internet connectivity to medical frontliners as well as the patients of COVID-19. Both quarantine centres located at MAEPS in Sedang and Institut Latihan Kementerian Kesihatan Malaysia in Sungai Buloh are allocated with 50 complimentary 5G fixed wireless access terminals that are rated to deliver up to 500 megabits per second over Wi-Fi. The 5G powered Wi-Fi service is offered free of charge. The 5G setup is similar to TM setup in Langkawi, where it uses both 700 MHz and 3.5 GHz bands on the standalone architecture. TM is partnering with Huawei for the initiative, and the 5G base stations took 3 days to set up. Senior Minister Dato Seri Ismail Sabri Yaakob has announced that all barbers, hair and beauty salon, as well as optometry shops will not be allowed to operate during the movement control order. The directive is applicable throughout Malaysia and it was ordered by Prime Minister Muhyiddin Yassin. According to the senior minister, the government is aware of the concerns raised by the reopening of barbers and hair salons. He said that the government is always listening to the views of its citizens and they are also advised by experts as well as NGOs on issues such as this. At the moment, new fibre broadband installations are not allowed during the movement control order. However, Maxis has introduced a new initiative which allows you to stay connected for free while waiting for the fibre installation. Maxis is offering new home fibre broadband customers free unlimited 4G Wi-Fi, and you can use it with no payment charges until the fibre is connected to your home. This is offered across all of its Maxis home fibre plans, which starts from RM89 per month. How this works is after your application is successful, they will send over a Wi-Fi router, a USB dongle, and a SIM card that provides unlimited 4G data access. Although the fibre connection is not installed, your Wi-Fi router will use the 4G dongle to provide connectivity for your home. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell icon so you can stay updated to our future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!